Should you get an inspection done prior to listing your home on the market? In most cases, it's the buyer's responsibility to pay for inspections, but wouldn't it be advantageous for a seller to do them prior to listing their home on the market? We don't always recommend this, but here are a few examples as to why having inspections done prior to listing is helpful. It can end up saving you time and money. Hi, I'm Latrice DeLuna, your local real estate expert. And as a seller, you want to be aware of the condition of your property, and we don't want any unexpected costs to come up that you weren't aware of. We've seen termite inspections well over $10,000. Imagine getting a termite bill for $10,000 and the only way the buyer will actually close on the home is if the items are fixed and or paid for. Think about it. But you already have purchased another home and you need that $10,000 to qualify for your next home. This would create a huge problem in purchasing your new property. Let's say you found out that your home you were selling needed a new roof or air conditioning unit to be replaced. You could do a few things. Sell the home as is and disclose the issues, not sell at all, or take what needs to be done and fix it. The idea behind getting inspections done prior is so that there are no unexpected surprises that could financially hurt you later. We want the seller to be aware of any additional expenses that could possibly arise from the sale of their home. The inspections we recommend are the standard customer inspections that a buyer would normally do. We recommend a home inspection, a roof inspection, and a termite inspection if we think your home needs it. In most cases, you have the option to pay for these upfront or when escrow closes. In regards to the home inspection and termite, it's helpful but not mandatory to make sure that all of the health and safety items are fixed, as well as have the Section 1 termite work, which includes dry rot, leaks, and of course termites, as these are common requests that buyers have. Knowing about these issues actually helps the seller because they have much more assurance that they will close on their property and what they're going to truly net when going into escrow. It also gives them peace of mind that the buyer won't ask for any unreasonable or outlandish repairs. It also cuts down on inspection timeframes. Having inspections done prior to also protects the seller if they have a replacement property to purchase and need every penny out of their sale to secure and close on that new purchase. Also, the buyer is more confident that they are buying a sound home that is in move-in ready condition. Also, if there is a bank financing on the property, some loan programs require health and safety as well as Section 1 termite work to be completed prior to closing escrow. So, with that already being completed and done, there is further assurance that the loan will go through. To wrap it up, the seller, the buyer, and the lender have more confidence throughout the entire transaction that the home will actually close. It keeps everyone safe during and after the close of escrow, and you are sure that nothing else will actually come up. I'm Latrice DeLuna, your local real estate expert, and as always, I'm happy to help.